Hey everyone, all right, let's say you're submitting an offer with your realtor and they say, hey, it's time to submit an offer. You found a home you love and let's waive everything, okay? Every contingency in place that protects your earnest money. Today we're gonna talk about the pros and cons of waiving every contingency and what you should be aware of when you do something like that. So first off, waiving every contingency on your offer when you're submitting a purchase and sale contract with your realtor is, from an offer standpoint, it makes you look incredibly appealing. Sellers love that, listing agents love that when you waive everything on the offer, right? Now, what's the downside? Well, let's say you're really doing a conventional loan, right? And you're putting 5, 10, 15, 20 or more % down, or a jumbo loan program. You're gonna be required to give what's called earnest money. And earnest money goes to an escrow agency, and all that means is, hey, I'm gonna give, for example, $20,000 to title and escrow company, and this money is going towards my down payment and or my closing costs. Now, if I don't close my mortgage on time or decide to back out of my offer, the sellers have the ability to take that $20,000 and keep that for themselves, right? Your contingencies in your purchase and sale contracts protects your earnest money in case you want to withdraw or take a step back and leave the contract. So let me give you an example. If you waive everything but the financing contingency, that simply means if your financing fails or the appraisal comes in lower than value, you get to walk away from the home that you thought that you loved due to pricing or due to potential issues that you may have when it comes to getting financing through, right? Like a lower appraisal. You get to walk away and you get to keep that earnest money. If you waive financing, you don't keep it. And if the appraisal comes in low, you also don't keep it. Second example, inspection contingency. Let's say you waive the inspection contingency and then on your final walkthrough 2 days before closing, you realize you see mold somewhere in the ceilings, or you realize, hey, I saw maybe a rodent go underneath the home and underneath the deck. And you thought to yourself, I wonder what an inspection would find. If you think, hey, this would be too big of a rehab and I want to walk away, you can walk away, but you lose your earnest money. So the pro of waiving everything is really you have the best chance of getting your offer accepted. The con is you need to do your due diligence, right? Still do an inspection even though you're waiving the inspection contingency. If you're getting financing, make sure you have the ability to go and do what's called a fully underwritten approval, where your credit, income, assets, employment, all of that gets verified before you submit that offer, waiving financing. Make sure you have a little bit of money saved in case the appraisal comes in low so that you're able to cover the difference, right? Make sure you do your due diligence. Anyways, friends, I hope this helps. Reach out if you have any questions, and good luck in today's market.